Now Jason and Stephen have cooked theirs. Now I'm going to cook my specialty. I'm going to make some candied yams. I got my sauce going here. I'm going to put on the yams in a second. And I'm cheating a little bit. I'm not using fresh yams. I got the canned yams over here. I'm about to put them in the pot together in a second. Now I'm going to put them in the oven a few minutes. Okay, look at that. Like I said, I cheated a little. It's the canned yams. But they still work just as well as the good ones. I'm too lazy to do all that cutting. So, but I got my sauce ready. Look at that. It's gonna be awesome. Good amount of the sauce so it covers the stuff really well. And you can smell it, right, Jason? The stuff smells awesome.
Yeah.
Somebody go wash that for me later. And this is just ready. Put it on the tray. Oven is set. Tray is hot. Put this in. Ooh, that looks awesome. I'm not gonna tell you what's in my sauce, but it's primo. Primo. Ready? All right, the candied yams have been in the oven for quite a while, about an hour. Let's see if they're ready. They look pretty good. Oh, the smell is awesome. Can you smell that, Jason?
That
Can
smells.
you smell what your dad is cooking? Looking good. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that looks awesome. Looks good. Yeah, that looks incredible. You want to taste some? Here, taste it. Come on, just. It's too hot. But it's awesome. I can't hold it. But it tastes fantastic. It's just a little hot. But it's good though. Once it cools down, it's going to be awesome. Now you asked the question about what's the difference between. You asked the question about what's the difference between candied yams and what was the other thing? Sweet potato casserole. All right, we're going to look at some sweet potato casserole, and then we're going to see if we can figure that out. Awesome, but incredibly hot. So
Yeah.
we have some sweet potato casserole in our refrigerator by coincidence, right? So let's take a look at it. Ham. Is it stuff in a round dish?
Probably.
Oh. Oh, this looks good. Spinach.
Artichoke dip.
Oh, artichoke dip. I thought it was spinach dip. Did you guys buy this?
Yep.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, so you can clearly already see the beginning of what's the big difference. Right? What do you see is the big difference? Don't say that. Clearly that's kind of like pureed almost. As opposed to the beauty of that stuff. Right? This stuff kind of pureed. Looks like pudding. This is more like a pie filling. It don't taste that bad though, truthfully. Lift the camera up. It don't taste that bad. But it definitely doesn't taste like candied yams.
Well, it's cold.
Hmm?
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Of course it's cold. It just came out the fridge. So you're saying maybe if we warm it up, it might taste a little better? That's possible too. It's really not bad. It tastes, yeah, well, it's candy. It's sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are sweet potatoes. I'm sure, like you just said, you warm that up, put it on the side. You could, to me, probably, we could warm that up.
It said throw marshmallows on it.
Put some marshmallows in it.
It says that in the instructions.
Oh, it says to put some on it? Oh.
But we didn't have any, so.
Oh, why not? Yeah. Why didn't you go get some? You could have put some marshmallows on it, mixed it up some more, got a pie crust, and made a sweet potato pie out of it.
That's how sweet potato pie is made.
Basically, it's the same thing.
I know that.
It's basically candied yams or this stuff put in a pie crust and heat it up. You eat it warm.
Cool.
That's what it is. All right, so now we know.
Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle. Thanks for joining us. Bye.